Welcome children in bio class. Children, now I am going to explain you chromosomal disorder. Disorders arising from chromosomal abnormalities. Chromosomal disorders are caused by the addition or loss of one or more chromosomes. Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner's syndrome are examples of chromosomal disorders. First, you see Down syndrome. So, Down syndrome is autosomal disorder. It is due to presence of an extra chromosome number 21. It is referred as trisomy 21. The individuals who are suffering from Down syndrome, they have 47 chromosomes. You know, in the normal human beings, number of chromosomes is 46. But those who are suffering from Down syndrome, they have 47 chromosomes. That is 45 plus XY, or we can write it 44 plus 1 plus XY. It is due to unequal distribution of chromosomes during egg cell formation. At the time of egg formation, there is meiosis division. So chromosomes are going to divide equally in the two daughter cells. But sometimes there is unequal distribution of chromosomes. Therefore, one cell will get one extra chromosomes. Affected individuals have some special features like flattened nasal bridge. They have habitually open mouth. They have prominent forehead. They have broad flat face. Their lower lip is protruding. They have short and broad neck. They are suffering from mental retardation. So these I told symptoms of Down syndrome. So why it is called Down syndrome? Because this chromosomal abnormalities first described by Langdon Down. So on the basis of his name, it is called Down syndrome, and its features somewhat look like the Mongolians. Therefore, Down syndrome is also known as Mongolian idiocy. Now, next chromosomal abnormality is Turner's syndrome. It is caused due to absence of one X chromosomes. It means the individuals who are suffering from Turner syndrome, they have only 45 chromosomes. Their karyotype is 44 plus X, because XX are the female sex chromosomes, but they are having only one X chromosomes. Individuals are female sterile. They have underdeveloped ovaries and breast. They may not menstruate or ovulate. It means there is no menstruation and no ovulation. They have short stature and an interesting sign was seen They have short fourth metacarpals and metatarsals bone, and they have waved neck, broad chest, and they are below average intelligence. Now next one is Klinefelter syndrome. So Klinefelter syndrome is this one. Klinefelter syndrome is due to the presence of an extra copy of X chromosomes. It means individuals has 47 chromosomes. The karyotype is 44 plus XXY. Individual is male with feminine development, means they have some feminine external features. They have underdeveloped testes. They have hairs, less hairs on their body. They are mentally retarded. They have developed breast. They are sterile due to abnormal seminiferous tubule. They are mentally defective and sterile male. So these I told about Down syndrome, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. So children, you have to learn what is the number of chromosomes in this and what are their characteristics. You watch the video, try to understand, you like and share it.